Focus now to the tragedy that took place at New Delhi railway station that has left an entire country in the state of shock. 18 lives lost, including 4 minors. The incident happened last night when overcrowding between platform number 12 and 13 of the New Delhi railway station led to a stampede. Times Now has learned that at least 3 trains that were headed to Prayagraj were delayed, leading to crowd swell at the platforms. As per the railway authorities, about 1,500 general tickets were sold every hour for Prayagraj, the venue for Mahakumbh. Remember, today is Sunday, so a lot of people would have been wanting to take the holy dip. There are multiple versions now coming to fore as to what exactly led to the stampede. Some eyewitnesses claim that the platform number of a Prayagraj-bound train was changed, leading to chaos. Chief Public Relation Officer of Northern Railways, however, has denied this. Sources in Delhi Police, on the other hand, say that there was confusion over 2 trains having similar names and people mistaking the announcement regarding one train for another.
एक खबर ये भी आ रही है कि एंड मोमेंट पे अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी कि प्लेटफॉर्म पे ट्रेन का नंबर चेंजेस हो रहा है, प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज हुए हैं, इस वजह से ऊपर ब्रिज पे भगदड़ हुई है। इस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं फिर से बताना चाहूँगा, ना कोई ट्रेन कैंसिल की गई थी और न ही किसी ट्रेन का प्लेटफॉर्म बदला गया था। बल्कि मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस दौरान हम लोगों ने 5 से 6 कुंभ मेला स्पेशल ट्रेन चलाई, ट्रेन ऑन डिमांड। तो बड़ी सीधी सी बात है, कैंसिल करने के बाद तो दूर की बात है, हमने तो 5-6 एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेन चलाई, ये था। और दूसरा मैं आपसे बताना चाहूं, स्थिति रात भर नियंत्रण में थी, नॉर्मल थी। सभी ट्रेन अपने शेड्यूल टाइम पर चली, स्पेशल ट्रेन चलाई हमने। अभी भी स्थिति पूरी तरह नियंत्रण में है, पूरी तरह नॉर्मल है।
Now, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also held a high-level meeting with senior Railway Board members, following which a 2-member committee has been instituted to investigate the cause of stampede. Directions have been issued to secure the CCTV footage, which the Railway Inquiry team will be relying upon to establish the timeline of this tragedy.
अभी रेल मंत्रालय ने 2 मेंबर की उच्च स्तरीय जांच कमेटी गठित की है और ये कमेटी आज हम लोग साइट का निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं आपके सामने, जहां पे ये बात हुई है। और बाकी हमने सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी सारे देखे हैं और बाकी जितने भी साक्ष्य लोग विटनेस वगैरह होंगे उनसे बातचीत करके फिर कोई चीज हम लोग निष्कर्ष निकाल पाएंगे।
सीसीटीवी में फुटेज देखा सर आपने?
स्कोर कर लिए सीसीटीवी फुटेज हम लोगों ने स्कोर कर लिया। अभी
इस मामले में कोई एफआईआर फाइल हुई है अभी तक?
अभी हमारा सारा का सारा जांच करने पे है और इसके लिए सारे साक्ष्य हम लोग देख रहे हैं, साइट का निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं।
As India reels under the shock over tragic deaths, politics has erupted. The opposition is up in arms against the BJP government at the centre, blaming the incident on abject negligence and misgovernance. INDIA bloc parties have demanded the resignation of Union Railways Minister, saying what has happened isn't an accident but a massacre. Stepping up the attack, RJD chief Lalu Yadav, while slamming Railway Minister, ended up calling Kumbh pointless.
हमारी सबसे बड़ी डिमांड है कि रेल मंत्री अपने पद से इस्तीफा दें। ऐसे निर्लज्ज व्यक्ति को, ऐसे बेहया व्यक्ति को, बेशर्मी दिखाने वाले व्यक्ति को मौत पर, बेकसूरों की मौत पर अपने पद पे रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं। आपने बड़ी बड़ी डींगे भरी, लेकिन असलियत यह है कि जो कल नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन पर हुआ, लानत है आप पर।
Our railway minister is totally incompetent minister. That is the reason it has happened. I demand रेलवे मिनिस्टर शुड रिजाइन इमीडिएटली।
सबसे ज्यादा अफसोस की बात यह है कि पूरे देश में जब भी ऐसी घटनाएं घटित होती हैं, हमारी पूरी सरकार उसकी लीपापोती में लग जाती है। रेल मंत्री जी घटना के बाद भी कुछ मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे, ऐसे जैसे कुछ हुआ नहीं।
लापरवाही की वजह से इतने लोगों की मौत हुई है, मुझे काफी अफसोस है।
फेलियर है सर रेलवे का।
फेलियर है ना, फेलियर है तब ना। अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है? फालतू है, कुंभ।
Sanju Verma, Saif Khan and Shubhankar Bhattacharya stay with us. We are now also joined by Sudhanshu Mani, retired General Manager of Indian Railways. He's the creator of Vande Bharat as well. And Kanchana Yadav, RJD spokesperson, joins us as well. Sanju Verma, first question obviously to you. As a simple citizen of this country, we've just seen stampedes taking place in Prayagraj. We were told everything is now going to be in place, lessons will be learned, and now this happens.
Priya, first and foremost, through your show, my deepest condolences to the kith and kin of the 18 deceased people. It was very unfortunate, very tragic what happened. And I personally believe that, yes, there has to be accountability. Heads must roll. But for the Congress to be screaming from every available rooftop, look at the language of Supriya Shrineth. Nirlaj, behaya, besharm. You know, itni gandi bhasha. मैं अपना स्तर नहीं गिराना चाहती, but let me just say one thing, that while accountability is a must, let's not jump the gun. I'm not trying to shove the uncomfortable truth under the carpet, but as the government has categorically said, there is a 2-member high-level committee comprising Principal Chief Commercial Manager Narsingh Dio and Principal Chief Secretary Commissioner Pankaj Gangwar. Let them come out with the report on this unfortunate incident, and then if heads need to roll, they will. But Himanshu Shekhar, whose bite you just played 2 minutes back, he is the Chief Public Relations Officer of the Northern Division of the Railways, and he is on record saying, ना कोई प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज की घोषणा की गई थी, ना कोई ट्रेन चेंज होने की घोषणा की गई थी. In fact, platform number 14 and 15, which were at the epicenter of this unfortunate incident, we have had time-stamped, CCTV footage which says and which showcases that platform number 14 and 15 were completely in control. There was not any large crowd which could have led to this unfortunate incident, barring some crowds that had spilled over to the staircase. Then on what grounds was there this ha-ha-kar and brouhaha which led to this stampede? Was it orchestrated? Was it organic? Let's find that out. Don't forget that for the Mahakumbh purpose alone, 2,900 special trains have been ferrying on an average 14.7 lakh passengers to and fro. Delhi was from Prayagraj to Delhi and Delhi to Prayagraj. And there are many important nodes, be it, in Darbhanga, be it in Agra, be it in Varanasi, be it in Ayodhya, be it in Gaya, be it in Patna. And everything has been running seamlessly and smoothly, barring this unfortunate incident which claimed 18 lives. Now we are going to get to the bottom of this. There will be a forensic audit, and this 2-member committee is not going to simply come out with a report after 3 months and say कि भाई ठीक है अभी सब कुछ कारपेट के अंदर धकेल दिया जाए. No. Unlike previous dispensations, be it Lalu Yadav or for that matter Mamata Banerjee's, or for that matter, the Congress dispensations, they've held the railway portfolio and we never saw them being accountable. But this is a government that believes in being transparent, and there will be no obfuscation, I can assure you of that.
Okay. I mean, I don't know if it matters for the families of those 18 people who've lost life. The youngest victim, ma'am, was 7 years old. But what also surprises me, Mr. Sudhanshu Mani, as somebody who knows the functioning of the Indian Railways inside out, there was a safety review meeting that happened just yesterday. How is it possible that you've just taken stock of situation? Obviously, you know what you have to prepare for. And then suddenly you seem to be incapable of controlling crowds at the at New Delhi railway station.
Yeah, so let me put things in perspective. When you say you are running 350 trains and 17 lakh passengers, just do the maths. It comes to 5,000 per train, which is much more than, it's 5 times the capacity. So you know you're dealing with a very large crowd, number one. Number two, Chhath Puja ke time, they handle bigger crowds because you have large crowds at Prayagraj and so on, but Delhi is used to handling much larger crowds or at least equivalent crowd, which is for 4 or 5 days during Chhath Puja days. So it's not as if they do not know the drill. In this case, what has happened is, okay, platform number was not changed, but what the CPRO is calling train on demand, that's a little funny to me, having spent all my time in railways. You look at the crowd, okay, and then you decide to run a train. It's not as simple as that. You have to keep brakes ready. You can change the timings, but you cannot just decide based on the number of passengers. You can estimate that. It should not be a surprise to you. In this case, passengers, it's always the unreserved passengers who have to take the brunt. They were waiting on platform 14 for Prayagraj. You then announce that a special train is coming on platform number 12. The unreserved passenger, whether it is Prayagraj or any other train, does not have a reserved seat. So they thought that this special train will perhaps go before Prayagraj, so they tried to go to platform number 12. On the other hand, there were a lot of passengers, whether reserved or unreserved, coming to platform number 14. So there was a clash and huge crowd. And as I've heard, and I can believe that, hardly any management in terms of barricading, in terms of crowd control, because either it was not anticipated, or if it was anticipated, it's poor management, nothing else. And what followed was a stampede-like situation, because to say that no platform number was changed is a half-truth which hides the real truth. And the real truth is last-minute announcement of a special train when a huge crowd was already waiting on platform 14 on overbridges, and there was a conflict of movement, and that led to this tragedy. So I would simply say that Delhi division is capable of handling bigger crowds, or at least the same number of crowd which they do during Chhath time, and that this tragedy has happened appears to be purely because of mismanagement.
Sanju Verma, mismanagement. It was nothing unforeseen. It was nothing sudden. You have an insider who's got an authority on these matters saying that, not a political voice.
I just want to tell, the gentleman here that while it is easy to currently accuse the current dispensation and railways minister saying there was mismanagement, please don't forget that, for more than 3 weeks, there have been trains, going from Delhi to Prayagraj and vice versa. And as I said, 12,000 trains have been doing the drill on a regular basis, 2,900 special trains, average passengers carried per day is anywhere between 14 to 17 lakh, and it has been going.
Yes, and for which all the credit is due to the administration and the government, Sanju Verma. But where the credit goes, the discredit also goes to the same body, same authority, same government, same people.
Priya, can I just please finish without you at least heckling me? What did we start by saying at the very outset? I was not trying to beat around the bush. I started by saying that what happened was unfortunate. What happened could have possibly been avoided, whether it was orchestrated, whether it was mismanagement, whether it was an unfortunate accident that let the two-member high-profile committee get to the bottom of it. These things cannot be decided on a television debate for the sake of TRP.
That's for sure that these things can't be decided on the television debate, which brings me to you, Mr. Saif Khan. When Congress and other opposition parties ask for Ashwini Vaishnav's resignation, do you think that is going to be a solution to anything?
I mean, who is accountable? Sanju Verma is sitting here on the channel and stating that, we have arranged those special trains. I could see those arrangements. 18. Let me firstly give those condolences to all of the families, those who actually lost their lives in Delhi. And in Prayagraj, about 48 died. That is the management and accountability what Bharatiya Janata Party and Sanju Verma is justifying on the channel and telling us that cannot be justified on sitting on the channel. Whose accountability is it? Okay, no. And about the language which Sanju Verma is using, that the Congress persons are using such as Sawa Crore ki girlfriend.
Sir, we'll not get distracted. We'll talk about this issue alone. Please, it is too serious a matter for us to be going into whataboutery. Let's talk about 18 people who have died.
I think we've made it very clear here. Priya, I would like to get it, please, just allow me. I would like to make it very clear here whose accountability it was. Just right now, it was made very clear when the tickets were sold about 1,500 in an hour. A general ticket was sold in every hour. 1,500 tickets were sold. Similarly, it happened previously, but it was organized. I would really want the India and all the parties, including all the people, to ask for the resignation for the transport minister, and the accountability must be taken by the spokesperson itself, and she should apologize in front of all of the people, those who are watching this program, that she itself is not ready to take the accountability. stating that there is a special train which is being arranged.
No, but what she's saying is let the investigation be concluded before you jump.
For the platform, let me tell you, Priya, there was an announcement
before you jump
that
to
the
conclusions.
special train is arriving on the platform 12, so can we shift that?
Sir, that's exactly what is being established. Even the version that Sanju Verma has quoted has also been contradicted. There is a version that comes from the DCP, there is a version that comes from the CPRO of Railways, but it doesn't matter to somebody who's lost their family members. And let me bring in Kanchana Yadav on that matter. Ma'am, we spoke to a lot of people on railway stations, not just in Delhi, but across the country. We spoke to people in Patna, we spoke to people in Lucknow, and we asked them, you've seen what is happening in Delhi, you've had lives that have been lost because of overcrowding, why do you still want to go? They told us that it is about our faith, it is about our belief in our Ganga, in its purity, in Triveni Sangam, in Mahakumbh. Do you think in that case for somebody like Lalu Yadav, who's himself been an ex-railway union minister who could have had several other inputs to give, for him to merely dismiss everything as Mahakumbh faltu hai?
Thank you, Priyaji, for having me. And I hope you will not interrupt me until I, finish my statement. First of all, Yogi Adityanath said that there is an arrangement for the 100 crore people. If there was an arrangement for the 100 crore people, why 100 died? Why 100 lost their life? The arrangement for save their life. The arrangement was for them. Ma'am, I'm asking you.
Don't ask me, ma'am. Please ask BJP. मेरा सवाल तो सुनिए, आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए ना. आप जो सवाल पूछ रही हैं वो एकदम वाजिब सवाल है. एकदम वाजिब सवाल है, लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि आप बोलिए अश्विनी वैष्णव को रिजाइन करने के लिए, वो आपका ऑपोजिशन के होने के नाते आपका हक बनता है, लेकिन आप उन करोड़ों लोगों की श्रद्धा को कैसे सवाल उठा सकते हैं? आप ये कह रहे हैं, आपके पार्टी चीफ कह रहे हैं महाकुंभ ही फालतू है. जो लोग अपनी जान को जोखिम में रखकर वहां जाना चाहते हैं, आप उनको कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि उनकी आस्था फालतू है?
If you can't save the lives of the devotee, you don't have to take credit for that.
Nobody ma'am, आप मेरे सवाल को घुमा रही हैं. Nobody is saying that. Nobody, including Sanju Verma, is saying that. आप मेरे सवाल को घुमा रही हैं.
50 crore people went in the Mahakumbh.
कंचना जी,
भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
कंचना जी, मेरा सवाल सुनिए. कंचना जी, मेरा सवाल सुनिए. लालू यादव जी ने बोला रेलवेज का फेलियर है, एकदम सही बात. लालू यादव जी ये बोलते अश्विनी वैष्णव को रिजाइन करना चाहिए, वो भी सही बात. वो बोलते मोदी जी रिजाइन कर दें, वो भी सही बात मैं मान लेती हूँ ऑपोजिशन होने के नाते, पर वो करोड़ों लोगों की आस्था को फालतू कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
He wasn't saying that, ma'am. As you rightly pointed out, he wasn't saying that.
He was.
That the arrangement was no.
He said Mahakumbh faltu hai. I can play that out for our viewers once again.
You should play.
So that there is no confusion.
You should have the courage to ask Ashwini Vaishnav. He should resign. He must resign. And he said he should take the responsibility as a real minister, not the real minister, ma'am.
Yes, and that is where he should have stopped. That is where he should have stopped, but he didn't.
Out of 18, 4 were minor, ma'am. There wasn't the child of this Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson. So she can't understand.
Okay, before we move on, let's play out for our viewers the reaction that you seem to be slightly confused about. Lalu Yadav.
बहुत दुखद घटना घटी है. हम सब लोग को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं. रेलवे का ये गलती है. रेलवे के मैनेजमेंट से लापरवाही की वजह से इतने लोगों की मौत हुई है. मुझे काफ़ी अफसोस है.
फेलियर है सर रेलवे का.
फेलियर है ना, फेलियर है तब ना लेना ही चाहिए ना रेल मंत्री को. अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है? फालतू है कुंभ.
कंचना जी सुन लिया आपने?
Yes, of course. And he said, if you can't save the people's life, this grand arrangement have no meaning. That's at all. And no meaning. Mahakumbh is all about faith, ma'am. Not to lost the life of devotee. And out of 18, 4 were minor. And this shameless spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party, and she is justifying that why is this all happening?
Ma'am, may I please kindly request you? See, we do not encourage abusing anybody on this panel. Everybody is a... Please use your arguments. Use your arguments. Don't use abuses. We can very nicely avoid.
This is not the...
Yeah, use your argument. You're making your point. Please make your point. Just avoid.
I'm making
avoid abuses,
I'm making
please.
point. This very government have broken all the record of rail accidents and tragedies. Really not for the efficiency, ma'am. Ask them when the Ashwini Vaishnav will resign. This is our question. When he is resigning and taking the portfolio up as a real minister.
Sanju Verma.
He is not capable.
First and foremost, Priya, can I now, because I did not. First and foremost, Kanchana Yadav अंग्रेजी बोलनी नहीं आती तो हिंदी में बात.
मैम, मैंने अभी उनको बोला है कि प्लीज पर्सनल अटैक्स मत कीजिए. आप भी मत कीजिए ना. आपके पास इतने शार्प आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैं, आप अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट्स रखिए प्लीज. Everybody on the panel, may I please request everyone?
मैं आर्ग्यूमेंट्स रख रही हूँ. मेरे को इनकी टूटी फूटी अंग्रेजी समझ नहीं आ रही थी, इसलिए मैंने कहा हिंदी में बात करिए. आपकी हिंदी अच्छी है, हिंदी में बात करिए. अंग्रेजी टूटी फूटी बोलिए मत. Let me just say one thing to Kanchana Yadav and Priya, thank you for showcasing that clip again. इस फालतू चीज को बंद करिए. हिंदू आस्था पर सवाल खड़ा करने का हक लालू यादव को किसने दिया? और चारा चोर की प्रवक्ता कंचना यादव, कान खोलकर सुन लो. 50 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोगों ने महाकुंभ में स्नान किया है, इसलिए आपको कोई हक नहीं बनता यहां बैठकर हिंदू की आस्था पर सवाल खड़ा करना. हिंदुओं की आस्था की धज्जियां उड़ाने का आपको किसने हक दिया? पहले इसका जवाब दो. आपके लालू यादव तो चुप रहते हैं जब उदयनिधि स्टालिन कहते हैं दैट सनातन धर्म इज इक्वल टू डेंगू, मलेरिया, रेबीज, तब आप लोग चुप रहते हैं. आज महाकुंभ पर लालू यादव बीजेपी को भाषण देते हैं. When लालू यादव was the railway minister from 2004 to 2009, IRCTC स्कैम हुआ था. और IRCTC स्कैम में हजारों करोड़ों का घोटाला किया.
And also,
लालू यादव ने.
Unfortunately, I'm completely running out of time, but let me remind our viewers that Lalu Yadav, who's calling for railways failure and accountability, etc., never ever resigned if there were any accidents that took place with him at the helm of the ministry. But thank you everyone, and Sanju Verma and Kanchana Yadav for joining me on this broadcast. Time for us to take a very quick break.